In this video, I'll navigate you through the process of exporting contacts with the MailChimp application, breaking it down step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue delivering valuable content. To get started with exporting your contacts into MailChimp, the first step is to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, which is the main hub for navigating different sections. On the left-hand side, there's a vertical menu with various options. Locate the Audience tab within this menu and click on it. This section contains all the information related to your contacts and audience lists. To view all of your contacts in one place, click on the All Contacts option. At the top right corner of this section, above the contact list, you'll find an option labeled Export Audience. When you click on this button, a confirmation box will appear, showing you the total number of contacts being exported. This step ensures you know exactly how many contacts will be included in the export. After reviewing the details, confirm the action by clicking the Confirm Export button. Once confirmed, MailChimp will begin processing the export, and you'll receive an email containing the exported file. Next, open your web browser and log into the email account associated with your MailChimp account. Whether you use Gmail, Outlook, or another service, once you're logged in, you should find an email from MailChimp. Inside the email, there will be a Download button that allows you to retrieve the exported file. After clicking the Download button, a zip file will be saved to your computer. Locate this file in your Downloads folder and then extract its contents by right-clicking and selecting Extract or using extraction software. Inside the unzipped folder, you'll find two Excel files, one titled Clean Audience and the other Subscribed Audience. It's a good idea to open both files to verify that the information is correct before proceeding with any further tasks. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tutorials. For more detailed guides and resources, visit mediamagnet.business.